Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I'm gonna show you how to fix this horn problem on this old first generation Dodge Stratus. This is a 97 model. And you'll have to let me know if this is a similar design or not. I don't know if this is unique to Dodge Chrysler or not. But on this one, the problem is right here under the horn button, which I got the relay pulled out for right now. But when I first started looking into it, I had to figure out the relay there was no relay for the horn, or so I thought. And what happened is, you gotta pull this cover off of the side here. Bear with me, hold on. And okay, see here where my finger is? Sorry, I can't get in here and you see this better. But this is the relay. When I first started looking into this though, this relay was here, which is in what's called the headlight delay function or whatever. So I thought the horn relay goes in the slot right under here. I thought it was missing or something happened to it and this needed to be here, but apparently this is not even necessary. So it goes right there. So you'll probably have to put it there temporarily while you work on this if this is the problem. If this is where yours is screwed up. But you'll need a T30 Torx screwdriver or a bit in like a 1/4-inch ratchet. You can use a long one like this. You just might have to turn the wheel 90 degrees or so. And it doesn't come in straight. It comes in kind of at a 45-degree angle back there. But it's not that hard. Then you just yank the airbag out, unplug this yellow part. That's for the airbag. But what fails on these boogers is there's some little black plastic washers that go behind here. And I guess they get brittle from being hot and cold and old. And they break apart. And I guess you can order them. I don't know. But I just made some out of some scrap rubber. And you'll have to take, I think this is the same size. Yeah, that's a T30 Torx bit there too. But you take those out, and these brackets are separate. Your horn plugs in right here. The ground wire plugs in there. And even though these are separate, that the airbag frame is steel and it connects them up. So, but you just take these out. There's a white plastic part underneath there and a spring, and the holes in these steel brackets are oval shaped. And I took some scrap bicycle tire inner tube rubber, and I'm going to illustrate with this. This is just cut you a piece out to match these screws and poke a hole in it. And I believe these are shoulder bolts. And I'm using a Allen head bolt here to illustrate, but it's the same concept. You'll want to stick about a 5/16 screw or bolt in there, or just the shoulder bolt here should open up the rubber enough. But then what happens is, let me get to, you can see it deforms under there. So you can take your good pocket knife or a box cutter blade and just hold it perpendicular to your screw shoulder bolt there, and trim off that deformed part right there. And then take your pen, your ink pen, and just trace this out. Take it off the bolt and cut it out along that your pen mark circle. Then put it back on, and there you'll see it deforms again, and there's some excess sticking out. So just take your scissors and hug that bolt head, or in this case your shoulder bolt here, and put your scissors just right up against there and trim off the excess rubber. And that worked fine for me. That's all needed. Nothing to it. They just screw into this heavy, thick aluminum plate, and that should work. I'm not sure if I can throw this back together to demonstrate that it works or not, but just trust me. Your torque screws here is pretty cool. There's like this plastic keeper or retainer on each one, so you're not having to chase those screws. It's pretty cool. So anyway, hope that helps somebody. I don't know if it's unique to Dodge Chrysler products or not, but good luck. Take care. Bye.